Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your software engineer freelance business. So let's suppose I'm a software engineer and I'm providing freelance services. Now I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp and I'm manually replying to all of the queries, and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever I'm going to start this chatbot, a user is going to send me a message and automatically and instantly the reply will be sent to the user according to the query. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your software engineer business. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, I'm going to send this message and we'll see that we are going to receive the reply in no time. And here we have received this reply. Hello, I'm CodeBuddy, your tech assistant, a freelance software engineer who builds clean, scalable web and mobile apps. So now if I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. If I click on this book consultation, the message will be sent to me that what is my full name. If I enter my name over here and then send this message, I'm going to receive the reply like, thanks Shumuti, what's the best email to reach you? Here you can see that we have personalized this text, and we are going to learn later in this video how we are going to do this. So first I'm going to enter my email address. So this is my email address and I'm going to receive the next message as perfect. Now choose how you would like to connect. If I click on the schedule a call, I'm going to receive a message and then I can book the appointment for a call. And then if I click on this link, you can see that I will be redirected to this booking page, and from here I can create or book my appointment. If I click on this WhatsApp chat, I'm going to receive this message, awesome, we can chat here on WhatsApp, and it is asking me please send a brief description of your project or challenges you are facing. And as soon as I send this, it is going to send me a message after some time which will be personalized by the software engineer. So this particular message will not be sent by the bot, but it will be looked into further by the software engineer, and this message will be sent later. Next, if I click on this cancel, no message will be sent to me. If I click on this view portfolio, you will see that I'm going to receive a message in which I have all the details of this portfolio and I have received the document. So I'm going to download this document and I'm going to open this. So I have downloaded this, I'm going to open this, and this is the portfolio it has sent me. Now if I click on the next button, show tech stacks, so it is going to send me the message in which on what places where it has worked. And then if I click on the C pricing, it is going to send me the next message like, these are the pricing, do you want to custom these pricing? So if I click on this, yes, it is going to ask me about all the details, and if I enter all these details, if I provide the details, it is going to send me the custom code in or within 24 hours. So this is a very perfect WhatsApp chatbot for your software service, and we have created this with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your software freelance service business. For this, I've created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now, and it has taken me towards this dashboard. Here I can see the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp or create your own Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this WhatsApp Connect, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, please visit our YouTube channel. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, which gives the overview of all the activities, insight and performance metrics. On the left-hand side where I can see all these options, the next one is of inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. Next, we have this contacts, which manage your leads, customers and their details. We have the team queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast, which send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant, which use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. We have this activity log. So this activity log is going to track all your activities in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Next, we have the settings where we can see all these options, which will configure account integration and preferences. And finally, we have this option of get help, which will help you access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now moving back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards the flows. So on the left hand side, we can see this option of flows. I'm going to open this flows. And here it has taken me towards this flow builder. Over here, I can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. If you want to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. And here we have to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot from over here. Now first I'm going to name this flow to WhatsApp chatbot for your software engineer freelance business. And on the left hand side where I can see all these options, first let's go through these options because we will be needing while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So the first button under messages is text button and media button, which helps us send text message along with multiple clickable buttons and also media for the image, video, documents and so on. If you want to provide many more options, you can use this option of list where you can provide all the options in this list. If you want to send the catalog message, you can use this button. If you want to send a single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can use this button. If you want to send a pre-designed message format, you can use this template. Now moving on towards this actions, I have this condition which will help me branch the flow like yes or no. We can ask the address from the user, we can ask the location, we can ask the question, we can ask the media, in which we can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field, we can add tag and segment these users based on the preferences. And then we can use this API request, which will help us retrieve the data from the external APIs. And finally, we have this connect flow, which links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So to start this, activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keyword or the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey, and hi. Hey, press enter, hi, press enter. You can also enter the keywords from your products and services. Like over here, I'm providing the software services. So I could even write my keywords as the software or the services, something like that, like help or something like that. Now we have this option of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. So here I'm going to enter the regex like, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format. Now after that we have entered the keyword or the regex. Here what we have done, we have triggered or activated this WhatsApp chatbot. You can either use keyword, you can either use regex, you can use both. So here for now I'm going to use this regex and I have activated this chatbot. Now as soon as someone is going to send me the message, I am going to send them the message. So over here you can see that as soon as I've received this message, I was able to send this message. So how did I create this? I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type as text plus button. In this drop down, you can find all the content types which I have already explained to you. So I'm going to select my content type as text plus button, and then I'm going to enter this message. Hello, I'm Code Buddy, your tech assistant. And then I have written, what would you like to do today? And over here you can see that in this message, I have provided them with the options. And when they click on any of the options which I have provided them with the next message. So here I'm going to do the same, as I'm not going to provide more options. So I'm going to click on this add button, and then I'm going to provide 3 options first. I'm going to provide this book consultation so that they can book the consultation for the software service available. Then I'm going to enter this view portfolio so that someone who is my client is able to view my portfolio and then decide later. And then see pricing so that they can check the pricing of my services which I'm offering. Now here I'm providing 3 buttons and I'm going to provide the message for each of these 3 buttons. Over here in this chatbot, you can see that I have provided the buttons for this book consultation, and as soon as someone clicked on this book consultation, I have asked them the name. When they give me the name, I'm going to ask them the email. And when they give me the details, I'm going to ask them, do they want to schedule the call or get the WhatsApp chat? So if they click on the schedule a call, I'm going to provide them the booking link. So here in the same manner, I'm going to provide the rest of the buttons and messages quickly. And then we are going to learn what features we have actually used while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Let me quickly complete this WhatsApp chatbot first. So here I have provided this message. Hello, I'm Code Buddy, your tech assistant. This is the same exact message. And then I have provided the 3 buttons, and then I have created the buttons and the messages for each of these buttons which we have created. Over here in this first message, you can see that I have added the star in front and in the end of the sentence. So why did I do this? Over here in this message, the first message, you can see that I have bold this particular text. So because of these stars which I have added in the starting and in the end of the sentence, I was able to bold this text. So that's why I've put stars over here. Next, moving on to this book consultation. Now here, as soon as someone click on book consultation, I'm going to ask them the question. Over here, you can see that I have not used text plus button. Instead, I've used this question. And when they give me the answer, I'm asking them the next questions. So here, what is the use of this question box? Why I have selected this contact custom field? It is very important to understand that whenever we are asking the question, we have created a contact custom field for that. If we do not create a contact custom field, my answers will not get saved and we will not be able to use it further. So here on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have to go towards the settings and then I'm going to click on this contact custom field. Till it gets open, over here you can see that I have provided the question in which I'm going to ask them the full name. I have created a contact custom field for this full name, and then I have selected my format as text. In this drop down, you can find all the formats. I have selected this as text because the full name will be obviously in text format. I cannot select the number, and if someone sends me their name, this message will become invalid. So here, that's why this format is important. Now I'm going to open this contact custom field. So here this contact custom fields has opened and you can see all the fields which I have created. I have created the field for this full name, and then what I have done, I have simply copied this contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then I have created a message. While showing you the real-time example, I have told you that I will explain this later. So here, this was the message in which I have received the post-light message. As I have copied and I am going to paste that. So this is how it appears. Over here, you can see that this is the same exact text which I have copied and pasted. So I have copied and pasted it from over here, from this contact custom field. And you can see that whenever my customer answer me, this exact same answer reaches or gets saved in my contact custom field and start reflecting over here as soon as I paste that contact custom field in my message. I hope this is very clear to you now. After I ask them the name, I ask them their email address. I have created a contact custom field for email address, and then I have selected my format as email. And when they provide me their email, I am going to ask them how would they like to connect. Do they want to schedule a call or do they want to get a WhatsApp chat? If they want to schedule a call, I have provided a link which I have created in Calendly, and when they click on this link, they will be able to book their appointment for the call. If they're going to click on this WhatsApp chat, I am going to ask them, please describe or give the brief description of your project. And when they provide this message, I am going to personally look into this message and reply them later. If they click on this cancel, I'm not going to send them any message. So here we are done with this first button. The second button was of view portfolio. So here I have entered the portfolio, and then I have asked them, do they want to see the tech stacks? And if they click on this show tech stacks, I'm going to send them this message. which I've created using text plus button. Now over here you can see that I have also done or added something else. Now what I have done, I have uploaded my portfolio. As soon as this message will be sent, a portfolio will also be sent. How I have done this? I've simply clicked on this add content button of that message below, and then I've selected my content type as media, and then I've selected my media type as document because I'm uploading the document, and then I have clicked on this cloud, and then I've simply selected my document and I've clicked on this open, and that document was uploaded. We just need to keep in mind that we do not exceed the file size. In this way, you can upload any media like the image, video, audio, or file. So here, the last option was of C pricing. Here I've provided detailed price, and I have asked them, do they want to get the custom pricing? So if they click on this yes, I'm going to send them this message, yeah, let's understand your project, and I'm going to ask them the detail of their project, and they're going to answer me, and I'm going to look into this answer personally, and then I'm going to reply in or within 24 hours. So this is the same exact chatbot which we have tested in real time. And after creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to make sure that we toggle on or active this chatbot, otherwise the messages won't be sent. And after creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to save this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages won't be sent. So here the flow updated successfully. Here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your software engineer freelance business. If you have any doubts or queries, you can drop a comment below this video. And you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.